Welcome to my channel where I share fun and creative baking ideas. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make a comic cake that's sure to be a hit at your next party. This cake is inspired by classic comic book art, and it's easy to make with a few simple techniques. To make this cake, piping the black outline detail is the most important feature to make it look 2D. It can be made from rolled fondant or piped frosting. Through each step of the process, from assembling the cake to decorating it with bold and colorful designs, you'll be able to quickly learn how to create this cute trending cake that you've seen all over social medias. If you're a fan of comic books or just love bright, playful designs, you'll definitely want to try making this cake. It's perfect for birthdays, celebrations, or just as a fun weekend project. Keep watching the video for detailed demonstration. If you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment below.